Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to show you how to allow cookies on Android so you can browse your favorite websites without any interruptions. This process is quick and ensures that sites remember your login details and preferences. So now let's get started. For step 1, you need to find and open the Google Chrome app on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is the primary browser for most Android users and where the specific privacy settings are managed. In step 2, look at the top right corner of your browser screen and tap on the 3 vertical dots. This icon opens up the main menu where you can access all the hidden tools and configuration options for your browser. Now, for step 3, scroll down through the menu list and click on the settings option located near the bottom. Entering this area allows you to customize how Chrome handles your data, security, and overall browsing experience. Moving on to step 4, you will need to scroll down until you find and tap on Site Settings. This section is very important because it controls what information websites are allowed to access on your device, such as your location or camera. For step 5, look for the option labeled third-party cookies and tap on it to see the current permission levels. This specific setting determines whether websites other than the one you are currently visiting can save small files on your phone. Finally, in step 6, select the option to allow third-party cookies to ensure all website features and embedded content work perfectly. Enabling this allows for a much smoother experience when you are navigating across different online platforms and services. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.